An emergency loan may help you avoid a serious financial disaster. And if you find yourself unable to meet a sudden expense, you're not alone. Today we'd like to explain what an emergency loan is, as well as a couple of your options. What is an emergency loan? A recent report by Bankrate indicated that 6 in 10 Americans don't have enough savings to meet an unplanned emergency. Meanwhile, unplanned expenses are more common than we think. And while it's good to know this and plan to save better, it's also helpful to know where you can secure those kind of funds in an emergency. That's where emergency loans come in. Payday loans. Within the realm of emergency loans, you have a couple different options. First up, we have payday loans, also called salary loans or payday advances. A payday loan is a short-term loan that's unsecured. That means it doesn't require any collateral. Just be sure to consider the annual percentage rate in these types of loans. A 100 to 300% APR is usually the standard rate of interest charged on these loans. So, to borrow $100, you may have to pay finance charges between $15 and $30. The shorter the term of the loan, the more the charges. But the usual term is 2 weeks. Private lenders. Next up, we have private lenders. Many lenders offer emergency loans to those with poor credit. It's important to find a reputed and trusted lender to avoid any kind of hassles. Reputed lenders are those who have positive reviews and recommendations from customers. You'll also want to see that they have considerable experience in the field and reasonable terms and charges. You're gonna find many lenders who can offer emergency cash loans and don't require any credit checks or securities. Typically, these loans are available within 1 to 2 working days. Personal loans. Personal loans are usually unsecured. Secured loans require collateral, while unsecured loans don't need any such assets. Cars or homes are often secured as collateral since they offer the highest value. Established banks, credit unions, and private lenders offer personal loans with differing interest rates and terms. The advantage of unsecured loan is that you don't risk losing any valuable assets in case you default. Emergency installment loans. You'll find many lenders offer emergency installment loans that have similar eligibility criteria as personal loans. The only difference is a lump sum repayment isn't required. Instead, you pay up a small amount in installments for an agreed amount of time. The APRs are also lower with the flexibility of longer terms. Some lenders may do soft credit checks to see if you're able to pay the loan back. Before submitting an application for any kind of loan, be sure to understand their terms very clearly. Here at WireLend, we pair people up with appropriate lenders. If you're in need of an emergency loan, come on over and visit us today at WireLend.com. Together, we can get you back into a healthy financial standing. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.